Hello design enthusiasts, welcome back to Interior Decor Designs, the place where we turn your living spaces into masterpieces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family today. We are diving deep into one of the most versatile and popular choices in the world of interior design, laminate flooring. At its core, laminate flooring is a multi-layer synthetic flooring product fused together with a lamination process. It is designed to simulate the appearance of real wood, stone, or even tile by using a high-resolution photographic applique layer protected under a clear, durable wear layer. Beneath these top layers sits a core usually made of melamine resin and high-density fiberboard, providing incredible structural stability. Essentially, laminate allows homeowners to achieve the high-end aesthetic of natural materials without the high-end price tag or the intensive maintenance requirements. One of the primary reasons laminate has become a staple in modern homes is its remarkable durability. Unlike natural hardwood, which can be prone to scratching, denting, and moisture damage, the protective wear layer of laminate is highly resistant to impact, stains, and fading from UV rays. This makes it an ideal choice for high-traffic areas, households with energetic pets, or families with young children. Beyond its toughness, laminate is incredibly cost-effective, offering a luxury look for a fraction of the cost of solid timber. Installation is another major win. Most modern laminate systems feature a click-lock mechanism that allows for a floating floor installation, meaning you can often lay it directly over existing subfloors without the need for messy glues or nails. Furthermore, it is a low-maintenance option. A simple sweep and an occasional damp mop are usually all that is needed to keep it looking brand new for years. To make laminate flooring truly shine, you need to consider the harmony between the floor's texture and your furniture. If you choose a light oak-toned laminate, it works beautifully to brighten small rooms and pairs perfectly with minimalist or Scandinavian furniture characterized by clean lines and neutral palettes. For a more dramatic and sophisticated look, dark walnut or charcoal laminate can serve as a stunning anchor for a room, especially when contrasted with light-colored walls and metallic accents like gold or brass. Don't forget the power of textiles. Adding a textured area rug over your laminate can define specific zones in an open plan living space while adding warmth and comfort underfoot. Lighting also plays a crucial role. Glossy laminate finishes can reflect light to make a space feel more expansive, while matte finishes provide a grounded, organic feel that complements rustic or farmhouse decors. Always ensure your baseboards or skirting boards are updated alongside the flooring to provide a professional, seamless finish that ties the whole room together. The beauty of modern laminate technology is the sheer variety of styles available, ranging from ultra-modern to timelessly classic. Currently, the most sought-after style is the wide plank look, which minimizes the number of visible seams and creates a sense of luxury and space. Reclaimed wood textures, complete with embossed knots and graining, are also trending for those who want to add character and a lived-in feel to their interiors. For a more formal or European vibe, herringbone and chevron patterns in laminate are making a huge comeback, offering a high-end architectural detail that used to be exclusive to expensive parquet. Additionally, grige, a mix of gray and beige, remains a top colored choice because it bridges the gap between warm and cool tones, making it incredibly versatile for various decor updates. Whether you prefer the sleekness of high-gloss contemporary finishes or the rugged charm of hand-scraped rustic planks, there is a laminate style that perfectly fits your personal vision. All right, let's get into the inspiration. Here are our top 10 best laminate flooring ideas to help you visualize your dream space. 1. Modern minimalist marble and wood fusion. This design features a stunning contrast between a crisp, white marble effect kitchen island and a soft, gray-washed laminate floor. The wide planks provide a seamless transition into the kitchen space, balancing the coolness of the stone with the warmth of the wood grain. The soft gray tones are perfect for hiding dust while maintaining a bright, airy atmosphere in a contemporary open-plan home. 2. Scandee chic herringbone elegance. Nothing says luxury quite like a light oak herringbone pattern. This idea uses smaller laminate planks arranged in a classic V shape to add movement and texture to the living room. Paired with a neutral tone sofa and woven furniture, this flooring style creates a cozy, Scandinavian-inspired retreat that feels both high-end and incredibly welcoming. 3. Sophisticated ash gray contemporary living. In this large living area, ash gray laminate flooring provides a cool-toned foundation that perfectly complements dark cabinetry and gold statement lighting. The wide planks help to elongate the room, making the open floor plan feel even more expansive. This style is ideal for those who love a modern, industrial-leaning aesthetic with a touch of glamour. 4. Bright Arctic oak for entryways. For a grand entrance, this bright, almost white oak laminate reflects natural light beautifully. It creates a clean, sophisticated look that pairs excellently with dark furniture and classic architectural details like white stair spindles. This flooring choice makes entryways feel larger and more inviting, providing a wow factor the moment guests step through the door. 5. Warm cinnamon oak for classic comfort. This look utilizes a medium-toned cinnamon oak laminate with visible graining to bring a sense of traditional warmth to the living room. It provides a beautiful contrast against light gray walls and plush white seating. This style is timeless, ensuring that the home feels grounded and cozy regardless of changing furniture trends. 6. Driftwood gray for rustic modernity. Featuring a weathered, driftwood-inspired finish, this laminate flooring brings an organic, earthy feel to the interior. The cool gray tones are accented by natural knots and textures, making it a great match for navy blue accents and woven textures. It's a practical yet stylish choice for families who want a floor that looks natural and hides daily wear effortlessly. 7. Rustic farmhouse whitewashed plank. This kitchen setup showcases the beauty of whitewashed or pickled wood laminate. It provides a vintage farmhouse vibe that works perfectly with distressed white cabinetry and rustic wicker chairs. The light color helps bounce light around the kitchen, creating a bright workspace that feels clean and full of character. 8. Polished silver oak for formal spaces. This idea features a sleek, silver-toned oak laminate with a smooth finish that exudes elegance. When paired with a chandelier and ornate molding, it elevates the room to a formal level of sophistication. The cool tones work harmoniously with soft pastel accents and light wood furniture, creating a balanced and serene environment. 9. Natural honey oak for sun-drenched rooms. This design highlights long, natural honey-toned planks that capture the sunlight beautifully in rooms with floor-to-ceiling windows. The warm golden hues of the laminate make this space feel incredibly vibrant and connected to the outdoors. It's the perfect choice for a relaxed, modern boho or mid-century modern interior. 10. Multi-tonal reclaimed wood aesthetic. For a bold, statement-making floor, this multi-tonal laminate mimics the look of reclaimed timber with varying shades of gray, blue, and brown. It adds a unique architectural depth to the room, serving as a piece of art itself. This style is perfect for creative spaces or modern living rooms that need a strong focal point. To tie the decor together, choosing the right flooring is one of the most important decisions you'll make for your home's interior. As we've seen, laminate flooring offers the perfect marriage of style, durability, and value. Whether you are aiming for the timeless beauty of herringbone or the clean lines of wide plank oak, laminate provides a canvas that allows your personal decor style to truly flourish. With its easy maintenance and long-lasting finish, it's an investment that will keep your home looking stunning for years to come. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Interior Decor Designs for more home inspiration and renovation tips. Which of our top 10 laminate ideas was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing about your design projects. Click the bell icon so you never miss an